So this is the hairstyle I would have to adopt if I wanted to fit in. Yes, think guys. Do it look do it look like a local? Needless to say, I'm not going to keep it like this, but yeah, just an interesting little experiment.
What's up, you guys? So here we start the day off making our way to our walking tour. It was really humid that day, so when we had a chance to stop at a 7-Eleven, we tried to figure out which drink we wanted to get, and we ended up getting some of the energy drink pouches. I think we got the green one, and it was really good, but it kind of only gave us energy for about 30 minutes, and then kind of started crashing again. The tour ends at the fish market, which is actually a great place for the tour to end. It's nice, shady, and in some places kind of cool because they have to keep, the fish cold. But also because the lady wanted to look for some fatty tuna, which I guess is trending for some reason. And don't get me wrong, it's good. But me, personally, keep an eye out for the price because that is going to be interesting to compare with another place we end up eating later. I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking it, but yeah. It was a good experience nonetheless. After taking an hour or two resting here at this park, we continue our adventure to the pop culture area, which translates to manga and trading card games and action figures, all that good stuff, which I thoroughly enjoyed, but also it got us out of the heat, so there's that too. If you're here in Japan when it's hot, try to go indoors as much as possible because it's hot out here, guys.
Sticky.
Fermented natto beans. So? And that right there, you guys, is going to be the total for all of the delicious food that we ate here at Sushiro. Honestly, best place. We actually come here again before we leave Osaka. And you just can't beat it. It's really good. And even though it's a sushi place, it's a really awesome place to get some beef and chicken, as you can see here. So you should check it out. So all the footage from here on for the rest of the trip in Japan is actually going to be recorded on my Fuji XS20 because I failed to anticipate how much storage I would need on the DJI. I only got 64 gigs and that gave me about an hour and 15 minutes, which I was surprised I recorded so much on it. When I get home, I actually end up getting a lot more storage, but it got a little bit harder to get footage. And with that, we end the night with a comforting bowl of beef ramen. I'll see you guys in the next one.